Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the Pink Panther theme, which was written by Henry Mancini. So whether you have watched Pink Panther or not, or you've seen it, I think this is still a really cool, awesome jazz piece to learn on the piano, particularly for beginners as well. So I'm not going to teach you the entire version. So I've linked in the description the video of the actual full theme. So we're going to actually have a look at the right hand first. So looking at the main theme. The key of Pink Panther is in E minor, specifically E harmonic minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of E minor, and this is mostly what the melody is based around. So here is the scale. So let's have a look at the right hand, so just the main melody. So here is middle C on my piano, and we're going to be starting below. So the idea is that we play the theme that in this octave the first time round, and the second time round we play it here. Let's have a go. So the first note is a D sharp to an E. And then you're going to play an F sharp to a G, and you're going to do that again. And then we have C, B, E, G, B, B flat. So I'll do that again from the beginning. And then the last little bit goes A, G, E, D, E. So that first bit goes from the beginning. And then it almost starts again. So from the D sharp. So that bit's the same, and this time you're going to play G, B, E, E flat. And then to carry on, we go back to here. So that's the same as the beginning. And then we have this last bit which rounds off the theme before we repeat it an octave higher. So we're going to go E, D, B, A, G, E, and then B flat to A 4 times, and then G, E, D, E, E. So I'll just do that last bit again. So I'm going to join all of that together now. And then you would then repeat it, that exact same thing, an octave higher. you've got to this point and you've repeated it the second time round in this octave, and you've just gone, it then does that 2 more times. And then it ends on this chord, which is a G, B, D sharp, and F sharp. And get your hand higher up the keys to play those notes. And then when we come to do the left hand, that'll make more sense with the left hand. So that is the melody line, that's the right hand covered. Now we're going to have a look at just the left hand. So the left hand is most of the time playing in fifths, so notes, 2 notes that are 5 notes apart. So let's go from the beginning. So it actually starts with the left hand on an E and a B, and you're going to hold that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to come to a C sharp and G sharp and slide down to D and A, and then up another semitone to E flat and B flat, or I should call it D sharp and A sharp, and then up a semitone again to back to E and B. So that's... So the fingers I'm using there are 1 and 4, and then I'm kind of tucking my little finger in, sliding my thumb down there, 1 and 4, to try and play it as smoothly as possible. And does it again. And then you're going to go backwards, so then it comes back up again. And then we have D and A, up to D sharp and A sharp, E and B, then F, natural, and C. So, and then it's back to the C sharp. And then down again. And then back up again. But then you don't hold that down, because that's for the da 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 da. And then we have an E and a G, B and F sharp, E and B. So I'm going to run through that left hand again, and obviously this repeats exactly the same for the second time round. Repeat it again. Okay, and then the very end, So after you've repeated it a second time, so the stage we're at now, you're then going to go backwards again, then up again, and then we have these single notes, which is B, E, B, C, and then you play them all together. So now I'm going to play it really slowly, hands together, so you can easily see how it fits together. And you should sort of see a pattern forming as well with when which parts come in with what, because it's fairly repetitious. So that concludes the piano tutorial on how to play the main Pink Panther theme. I hope that's been useful and that you have enjoyed it. Please give the video a big thumbs up if you have, and if you would like to showcase your performance with me, which will be included in my monthly showcase video, upload your video to YouTube and make sure that you include the hashtag #BitesizePiano so I know how to find it and your video could be featured one of my showcase videos. So if you're new here, first of all, welcome, and I would like you to consider subscribing to Bitesize Piano. I'd love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. Go check out my channel for many more piano tutorials like this one, on many different songs and musical genres, on topics, all piano related. If you can't find what you're looking for there, go to the comment section of this video where I've posted a link. If you click on that link, that takes you through to my official request space, and then you can request any song you would like me to make a piano tutorial on, and all requests are noted and considered. So make sure to hit the notifications bell so you could be notified of a video that you have requested. So I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye!